Let's have a good, safe hunt. Safety. Enjoy yourselves. There should be plenty of game out there moving around. So enjoy your time.
I'm out here at Red Cloud right now for a MWR managed hunt. Red Cloud is one of the ranges at Fort Stewart. A couple times a year they close it down and they let MWR run managed hunts.
We're good to go.
We got about 50 soldiers and retirees out here. Our guides are running around Red Cloud right now. It's about 5:20. They're putting people in stands and getting them ready for the morning hunt. After the morning hunt concludes, we'll head back to the main staging area where Fish and Wildlife will help clean any animals that were shot. It's a pretty cool experience because this area is not hunted much. This is a range training area, so it's kind of a unique experience that you can only do through MWR managed hunts.
She walked up from behind me, stomped her foot at me, let me stand up, turn around, grab my rifle. I would pay $40 to come out here every weekend.
That's simple, huh?
Yeah.
Tell me about that partnership with Fish and Wildlife.
So they volunteer every year. We couldn't really do this hunt without them. So they're going to clean anywhere from 50 to 75 animals today, possibly. And we take care of them, we feed them, but it's also good for them on management. So they're weighing every animal, they're aging every animal, so they can test the population.
Round of applause for those guys that are skinning the accordion animals.
Overall, everyone had a good time, with most having the chance to bring home some meat. Even I had the chance to shoot a couple hogs. Well, hope you enjoyed this episode of Behind the Scenes with Fort Stewart-Hunter Army Airfield. And if you're bummed about missing out, there's one more managed hunt in December, or you could always get an iSportsman account and hunt Fort Stewart-Hunter Army Airfield by yourself. Go online to fortstewart.isportsman.net for more information.